Hello guys, welcome back to another coding videos from Dosen Ngoding, and today I would like to share to you one of my real projects case. Then I'm creating a CRM app where I use a Laravel Spatie Permission library, but even though the Spatie Laravel Permission is working very well by limiting action based on user action, but it cannot limit based on the data ownership. For example, I have a resource of project logs where super admin can do everything. They can edit, can view, can delete, and do anything. But the users wants that sales user level also can do the same, but it's only to his own content. So this sales user cannot delete, cannot update data that doesn't belong to him. So we have to improve this permission by Laravel Spatie. So Spatie only limit based on the action. So you can view, you can delete, you can restore or everything, but it cannot delete, cannot limit to the ownership of the data. So yeah, we have to update this, and let's see, can we do this kind of thing? So currently the code looks like this. Let's see, sorry. Let's see if I can do this. Okay. I will use this. All right. I'm in admin here on the left, and I will impersonate here on the right. Oh, let's see. There's... Okay. So the project logs here. The project logs that my users want is that only shows the project logs that belongs to this user. Currently, I'm able to implement this, but the user wants also that only for the sales level, but for the super admin level, it should be show all the project logs. So let's see, can we fix this? I will use AI sometimes, and I will use my knowledge on the projects. But let's see, either we can do this with AI or we just can fix this by ourselves. Okay, in the filament, there is some, this is forms. This project is using Filament version 3, yeah? Not the version 4 yet. Okay, this one is the filters. Okay. Now, this one is the default filter. So if I remove this, then we will get the all projects. But what the client want is all projects for the super admin and sales only on project in the sales level. So we have to fix this. Okay. Let's talk to the cloud, and I'm using cloud. Wait a minute, it's updating something. Okay. I want this is not edit automatically. Shift tab. Hi. Let's close this. Ask before edit. Oh, I want it to be the plain mode. Okay. I have this problem. So we have to describe our problems clearly to the AI so it can give us a good, very good recommendation, or else it will be garbage in and garbage out. So let's do this. I want super admin can do everything to the project log resource. Second, I want sales user level can do everything to its own data. So this is the very simple explanation to Cloud to explain what we want and what we want to do. So let's try, because this is in a plan mode. The Cloud will be do some planning, and we will have to review and then decide whether it's go or it's not go. Maybe I should explain that I use Laravel Spatie Permission, I think. Maybe for the planning phase, it's better for me to explain to Cloud that I have super admin roles managed by Laravel Spatie Permission. Okay. It will add to the policy, but the policy is managed by Spatie sometimes, so I think it's not the optimal solution. Return true if it's okay. Okay, yeah. Project logs, user ID, okay. Falls back to permission base, check for other roles. Okay. Okay, so the Filament, the Cloud proposed this solution. So we have these things called project logs policy. This one. We can do something here, yeah, to limit the access. Okay, this is looks okay, but will I use it or not? It's depend on the condition. Permission base. Sales can view their own logs. Okay. View. Yeah. Sales, so view any, we have to limit it. Use a permission base. Okay. Create. Sales users can create. Yes. Update. Super admin or owner or has permission. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is the art of working with AI. We have to carefully think about their solution. Not think about the code, but think about the solution. I think it's okay. Okay, let's. Can you make sure that in viewing, editing, viewing, view any, update, delete any, force delete any, restore, and I think it's all permission. Cells can only do that to their own resource. Okay, let's see. Does the Cloud understand my request or not? Something like that. Okay. Super admin or owner and has permission. Yep. this is correct. Let's see. Let's say. Then I will do yes and auto accept. Usually I will choose yes and accept manually, but because I have to record and I want this to be finished, I will use yes automatically. But this is bad practice, guys. Just don't do that in your real coding projects. So yeah, let's review the edited code later on. The bulk action. Okay. Let's see what is there changing. So okay, what is the change? So for view any, it will check if has roles of super admin. It will be true. For view only, it will give super admin. And it will check if it has roles of project user ID. I don't know. I think view any also need this. Create role has super admin. It will be always true. Okay. Update. Okay. Delete. Okay. Delete any. Yeah, I think view any also need this. Yeah. I don't know if there are any optimal solution. Because if I have another roles and I will have to add this like multiple times. I think view any also need this. Just add this. It's why in the view any you do not add the filter or sales row. I think it should be, but I don't know. Yeah. Cloud. Policy and resource file. Okay, I will just manually approve this one. Yeah, I usually will use this get eloquent query. Okay, I think we will need this both. I'll accept. Okay. Let's see. Create a new branch first. 18. Revision. Fixing project logs. Just push it. Just push and think later. My project logs. Okay. Okay. But I don't have the data. So let's see if I create a project logs here. Okay. Okay, I will add some quick if superadmin, then do not use default filter of my project. Yeah, we have to remove this if it is a superadmin. Which one? Make this edit? Yes. Okay. Yeah. Yes, quite bloated my code, but it's okay. I think those filter is not necessary. I will just remove this filter. Okay. Okay. We have this superadmin here, and we have this cells here. I think I'm gonna add another cells. Users. Set it as cells, submit. I'm gonna impersonate as another user. So yeah, the widget is working. Project logs. Okay, this is another user. This user is cannot see this user's projects. All right, let's see if we force. Okay, not found. Nice. We create projects. Create this. We have these project logs. We have these project logs. All right. Each user now cannot see another user's project logs. It's fine. This is good. And if we force edit this, it will give this error not found. Fine. Nice. And if we open this in another users, it's also not found. But however, if we use project logs from administrator, he can check everything. This is very nice. All right, this is one bug to solve, one feature, an additional feature to solve, and we can see another feature in the next videos. By the way, if you like how I work, you can like and subscribe and join our membership in the YouTube channel. Okay, let me recap. First thing, if you want to do this, you will go to project log policy, and you are gonna add this kind of things for the ownership. Maybe there is a better solution. Maybe there is more optimal solution than this. Maybe I will post in some near future. Possibly is using a model based rules, not policy based rules maybe. But so far this is works. So you should add a policy, and then you also should use get eloquent query to update this. All right, this is the tricks. This is the how we work with AI nowadays, and it's been fun working with cloud. If you want to know more about this, don't forget to follow and keep subscribing and commenting, and I will give you insight of how we can work with AI in Laravel and everything. See you guys next videos.